Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you step-by-step process how you can easily create a watch list on TradingView. So what you want to do is when you're going to be on TradingView, you want to simply go to top right and click on the watch list and details. Now when you're going to have the watch list and details here, you want to click on a watch list and then click create a new list. And then start your symbol better with more watch list, and you can start a free trial if you don't have it, but this is how we do it. So if you can have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. So I'm going to delete, let's say I'm going to remove this section here, or I can go back with, and here you can have the watch list here. So yeah, that's how we do it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.